In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as psycholinguistics. Today, I am going to teach you the main difference between lexeme and lexicon. Listeners and audience, lexeme refers to a word with its meaning, inflections, and different forms. So, a word with its meaning, inflections, and different forms is called lexeme. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about lexeme, that is a word which has a meaning, and that meaning is in our mind. And connected to this, we also have different forms and also inflections of that word in our mind. Listeners and audience, let me provide one example that you know about lexeme. For example, take the example of run. For example, this run is a word. Now, this run has inflections. For example, what would be the inflections for it? For example, S. So this word has inflection. It's one kind of understanding. And we also have different forms for this word. What is the different forms for these words, for example? For example, for this word we have rain, like second form. We also have another form for it, for example, running. We also have another form, for example, runner. And connected to this, we also have the meaning of it in our mind. Like running means when someone moves quickly. So a word with its meaning and different forms and inflection, we call it lexeme. On the other hand, whenever we are talking about lexicon, what is lexicon? Lexicon refers to the collection of different words in our mind along with their inflections, meanings, and different forms. So it means lexicon refers to the collection of the entire words which are actually in our mind with their different meanings, forms, inflections, as well as their usage. For example, there are different words in my mind along with their meaning. Take the example of kite, take the example of, for example, gate, take the example of, for example, bait, take the example of animals, so on and so forth. So you see the collection of these words, thousands of words, for example, we have in our mind. So the meaning of these words, the usage of these words, the forms of these words, and the inflections of these words, we call them lexicon. So now you come to know that whenever we are talking about a single word, it is lexeme. Whenever we are talking about the collections of words, we call it lexicon. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.